Welcome back everyone. In this video, we'll be creating a keychain. First step, you have to give a project name. So here you can give any project name what you want. This time I'm creating a keychain, so you can give it as a keychain. Okay. Now, how you can add an object into the work plane. So this is our main work area, right? Or work plane. So here on the right side, we have the basic shapes available. Out of that, to create a keychain, I am taking a box. Just click on the object and drag into the work plane. That is the way we will be adding an object into the work plane. Okay. If you added an object, you can see all of its properties on the right side. Okay. Now for the keychain, we need a base. So I am creating a base with 50 millimeter in width and 30 millimeter in length. Okay. And height. So you can adjust the height. There is 5 dots. You can see the center dot you can click. So you'll get the height of the base. So that is 20. 20 is too big. So I'll be changing that to 3 millimeter. So now we got a nice base. Okay. Now next step, we wanted to add a text over here. So we can also do one steps. So we can make this corner to be rounded. For that, select the object. Its properties, when you are considering, there is a radius option. So if I change the radius option, you see what will happen to the object. You see the edges are curved. Okay, so the entire objects become rounded. I suggest you can give 1 or 2 over here. So 2 is, we try with 2, value 2. Yeah, it's getting a nice curved edge. You can also give 1. Don't give bigger values. Okay, you got a nice curved edges. Okay, now we got that. We have to add a text on top of the base. For that, from the basic shapes, you can find something called a text. Just drag the text into the work plane. Okay, but the size of the text is too big. Okay, we have to set that. So before that, what you want to type it over here, that you have to type on this first option in the properties. I'm going to type EISB. So I just typed EISB. Still, if I check over here, the dimensions are too big because its dimensions are just like 50 and 30 only. So I have to readjust its dimensions of the text. This time I am setting its size should be less than the dimension of the base. That's why I am keeping it as 40 over here, and here somewhere I am keeping it as 50. And the height here, well, let me check the height. It's 10. 10 is too big height, so let the base having 3 millimeter. So 2 or 3 millimeter can be the text size from the bottom. So I can keep like 5 millimeter for this. Okay, now EASB and the base both are in the same color. So I'll be changing the color of the EASB from the solid color option. I can change the color. Let me take somewhere yellow color. Okay, now you can group it. Okay, and align it also. So alignment, first you have to click somewhere, drag your mouse and make sure that these dotted lines are passing through the all the objects where you wanted to select. Okay, it got selected. Now you can have an alignment tool over here, or you can press L in the keyboard. Okay, then horizontally you can align by clicking on the middle one. Vertically you can align from here. So EASB is aligned centrally of the base, which is the red color base. Okay, now our keychain basics we have done over here. Now I wanted to group it. Right now EASB is an one object and the base is an another object. We wanted to create as a single object. For that, again select. Okay, then you will have a group option here. Control plus G you can press, otherwise use this tool over here. So now it becomes as a single object. Okay, you can see it is moving together, but the problem over here, earlier the EASB in yellow color and the base is in red color. So right now it is changed as red color with the base what was the color it is. So to change that, you can go to after selecting the object, you can go to solids, click on that, There is a multicolor option is there. Click on the multicolor. Now you can see the magic. It came back to different colors. Okay. Now it's a keychain. You need a hole here. It's very easy. To create a hole, you have to use a hollow type material. So take a cylinder, change the property of the material from solid to hollow type. Okay, the keychain we are creating, so the hole will not be too much in size. So we can create a hole small in size. So I am giving 3 millimeter and 3 millimeter in the length and width. Okay, height you can keep it as it is, not an issue. Then keep that cylinder wherever you need a hole in the keychain. Okay, so you can change the view. Okay, you can change the view wherever you wanted to look at simply by clicking on this box over here. Okay, otherwise you can use the right click on the mouse anywhere in the work plane and you can move here and there to change the view. Okay, and you can zoom in by using this and zoom out by using this. So once you have finalized the position, you can select all the objects. Then again you can group it. Okay, once you can group, you can see the magic. You see there is a hole is created. Okay, so that's way you can create the keychain. Thank you everyone.